Hello everyone, welcome back to All Things Nola. My name is Nola and I'm so glad that I could be here with you today. So girl, today's video is going to be how to do your nails at home. Save your coins, sis, because we about to hook it up right now. So this is how my nails are looking like right now. They are a bit damaged from my last acrylic set. They don't look the best. I know, girl, I know. But we are about to fix that right now. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So I did want to show you guys where I got the nails from. It's Instant Glam by The Nailist. They do have an Instagram, so you can check it out. It comes in this little cute white rectangular box with a little furry thing on it, and we're doing this little cute ombre number today. It has a white tip, even though it doesn't show while it's in the box. When I have them on, you'll see it. This is the card that it came with. Once again, they are on Instagram, and they are also a little shop on Etsy, so that's cute. On the back of the card, it shows you how to apply the nails and how to remove them. But I have my own little technique to show you today, guys, to make sure that they're lasting a long time. So it also comes with this little kit that has a few things that you'll need. This is just like, I think it's called a cuticle pusher. This is a nail filer that we won't really be using. That's the nail buffer and also the glue. Now this glue I will not be using to apply my nails for the first application, at least. This is the nail glue that I'll just have in my purse or something like that, or in my pocket, just in case one of my nails do want to pop off and I'm not home or anything. This is, I like to call on the move glue, but I will be using a different glue. I'll be using this glue. It's the brush on nail glue by Kiss. It's only like $3 at Walmart. This glue is the truth, okay? It will help you keep your press on nails for a long time. This is my Manicovery. This is a nail, not a nail, but it's a cuticle oil repair. So you just put it around your nail when you're done doing your nails, so you can have that salon finish. And it just makes everything look so good and put together and moisturized. So as you can see, we have a little bowl here, two little bowls here. They are filled with warm water and soap. I like to do this even though we're not doing like a real manicure today, we're just putting press on nails, but I like to do this just to kind of take care of my nails. Plus this makes the like your nail bed so much softer. It makes your cuticles softer and easier to deal with. Like, so when we are going to go in with the cuticle pusher, you know, it'll look cute and it won't look all ratchet. And this is kind of like a self-care moment for me also. So while you're doing this, you can be listening to a really good podcast or a sermon, like watching a sermon or listening to some good music. And I like to only do this 5 to 10 minutes. If you have a little extra time on a certain day, then you can do it for longer. Now I have taken my hands out of the water. I haven't washed my hands yet. I don't have the little cuticle thing that I wanted, but right now what I'm doing is I'm clipping my nails down. I like my nails to be just a very short length under my press-ons. Honestly, I'm not trying to have my nails super long anyways. Now I'm using this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. You probably saw this in my Target haul. I love this thing. As you can see, I have been using it a lot. I'm going to use this to scrub my hands while I wash them, just so that my hands could be soft and ready to go for the press-on nail. So after I'm done washing, what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna go in with the cuticle pusher. I'm gonna use this end of the cuticle pusher with the flat side and not the other end. So I'm just gonna use that to push my cuticle down. And this is what I'm saying. This is why I like to soak my hands in some water, because it makes this part a little easier. So I'm pushing my cuticles down, and what this does, it gives the nail a little more space, so when you are putting your press on nail down on your actual nail, it will sit nicely and it won't look like a press on nail. So I'm gonna go ahead with this nail buffer. Now girl, let me tell you, this nail buffer looks super tiny, right? But it is mighty. It is super powerful. I feel like it's a really good nail buffer actually. So you see all that white stuff that I was showing you right there? The nail loves that. So I like to buff my nail, and I like to keep it that way, so when I go in with the glue, it just makes the nail last longer. I noticed that when I buff my nails first and then apply the glue, it just lasts for a super long time. That white stuff plus the glue and the nail is just a combination made in heaven. So that is one of the ways to have your nails last for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And also the type of glue that I use actually helps a lot. So far, this is the best nail glue I've used. So what we're going to do now is put on the nails. I never do my thumbs first. I always like to start off with my pinky or my index finger. So as you can see here, I'm kind of like measuring what size goes best on my finger. And this is basically what I'm going to do for all my nails. I'm going to measure them first and figure out which size is the best. Once I'm comfortable with a good size, then I go ahead and put the glue on my nail like so. And then I go ahead with the press on nail and carefully place it on there, and I like to hold it for at least 15 to 20 seconds. If you have a little more time that day, I even recommend holding it on for at least, like, the least amount would be 20 seconds. And there you go, voila, that's the first nail done. As you can see, it's sitting real nice. And basically I'm just gonna go ahead and continue the process or the repeated steps for all my other nails. Back in the day, press-on nails used to be a huge no-no just because of the way they looked. They looked really cheap and it just looked like a press-on nail. They didn't have much nice designs. They didn't have really cute designs or anything. But press-on nails have really improved, and this is exciting for us because we don't necessarily have to spend so much money going to a nail salon to get our nails done. We can save our coins and do our nails at home. I actually bought 3 sets of nails from the nail list for $50. So that was such a great deal. Usually $50, it would cost about $50 for me to get my nails done, and that would be only my nails, not including my toes. So saving a lot of coins here. As you can see, now I'm doing my thumbs. Like I said before, I like to do my thumbs last. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so this is a very rough draft. It looks like all the nails are sitting on really nicely. So I'm gonna use my Manicovery, which is the the cuticle oil, and I'm going to basically put that around each nail. So this is how my nails are looking like with the cuticle oil. They look really pretty. I'm very satisfied with them. Now that can be the last step that you take. However, I am gonna go a step further and really moisturize my hands with some products. So I'm gonna be using Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. It's a lotion on my hands, and I'm also going to be using the Johnson's Shea and Cocoa Butter Oil Gel on there as well. So I'm gonna use the lotion first, and this is just, it's, you know, just to moisturize your hands. It's nothing super special. We're not doing anything mystical. It's just to moisturize your hands so that you can have that soft, you don't want to have you know, some cute nails with rough hands or anything. So this is just to moisturize your hands, to keep them nice and supple. I'm gonna go in with the oil now. This is to give that, you know, just, it looks like a salon finish, just to moisturize your hands after doing your nails. Sometimes your hands can get really, really dry, and this is to combat that, to help that. So this is the finished product. I am so in love with them. They look so cute. I love the shape. They're sitting very well on my actual nail, and I'm so very satisfied with them. I decided to put some rings on so that you guys can see how it looks. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on to be notified for whenever I post a new video. Bye.